I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been that person, sitting across from someone I liked, heart racing, brain shutting down, saying something weird, and then replaying that moment in my head for the next week straight. If that's you too, listen carefully. Nobody teaches us this growing up. Getting your crush to like you back has almost nothing to do with your looks, your money, or being the funniest person in the room. It's about psychology. It's about how you make them feel. It's about small signals you don't even realize you're sending. And most people, they're sending the wrong ones. So, here are 5 simple psychological tricks that actually work. Trick 1. Be seen more. The exposure effect. I used to think disappearing made me mysterious. I would avoid my crush on purpose, act busy, act unbothered. It never worked. Here's the truth. The more someone sees you, the more comfortable they feel around you. Your brain naturally likes what feels familiar. So don't vanish. Show up. Be in the same spaces. Talk casually. Comment sometimes. Not in a desperate way, just naturally. Familiarity builds comfort. Comfort slowly turns into attraction. Trick 2. Say their name. This sounds small, but it's powerful. When someone hears their own name, their brain lights up. It makes them feel important, seen, valued. So use their name in conversation. That's actually a good point, Arav. I feel like you'd like this, Ria. Don't overdo it, just naturally. It creates connection without them even realizing it. Trick 3. Mirror their energy. Ever notice how some conversations just feel easy? That's mirroring. If they lean in slightly, you lean in slightly. If they speak softly, you soften your tone. If they're excited, match that energy. When someone feels like you're similar to them, their brain thinks, this person gets me. And we're naturally attracted to people who feel like us. Just keep it subtle. Don't copy, just match. Trick 4. Ask for a small favor. This one feels backwards. You think doing things for them makes them like you more, but asking them for something small is even more powerful. It could be, can you recommend a good series? Which one do you think looks better? Can you help me choose? When they do something for you, their brain thinks, I wouldn't help someone I don't like, so I must like them. It creates emotional investment, and investment creates attachment. Trick 5. Be slightly imperfect. I used to think I had to look perfect all the time, never awkward, never nervous, never unsure. But here's the truth. Small imperfections make you more attractive. If you mess up your words, laugh. If you get nervous, admit it. If something awkward happens, own it. Being real lowers their guard. Perfection feels intimidating. Human feels safe. And people fall for what feels safe. So stop trying to impress. Start focusing on connection. If you use even 2 or 3 of these consistently, don't be surprised if your crush starts finding reasons to talk to you more. Attraction isn't magic, it's psychology. And now you know it.